Hey folks, the sky is brightening in some areas across the valley. In others, it's not. And then overnight tonight, it's going to thicken up. I think there's going to be a lot of fog. This is a visibility graphic. This is Cameron County. There's Willacy County. Harlingen, Raymondville showing visibility down to about 1.5 miles right now. Don't think we're seeing serious fog yet, but just with the low crud that's been around, it's still here. We move up a little bit. Notice we're looking at 10 miles plus across the upper valley, so no major issues there. Brownsville's in good shape. Port Isabel's at 1.7, so just a little bit of stuff lingering near the coast. Overnight tonight, it's probably going to thicken up. This is what Future Track says. At 8 o'clock, you're looking at visibilities anywhere from 2 to 5 miles across the area. By the time you get to 10, 11 o'clock, though, look how things are coming down. 1.2 miles in Brownsville, about 1.5 miles on the island, and then by 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, you're looking at zero visibility, maybe 1/5 of a mile in some places. The island, 2 miles or so, but that just means fog is going to be an issue late tonight and early tomorrow. And then it should burn off by the time you get to noon tomorrow. Most areas in good shape. The island, though, still dealing with some low clouds even at noon tomorrow. I'm afraid it may take a while for the island to break out tomorrow, where everybody else will probably see some sunshine. Now, Future Track says fog shows up later tonight, not just at the coast, but everywhere. And it's there first thing in the morning, but it does burn off in most locations, and we end up with a mix of clouds and sunshine tomorrow, and temperatures bounce back up into the 70s. And then Sunday, temperatures bounce back up into the 80s. The only issue on Sunday is it's going to be a little bit windy. That wind coming up out of the south pretty strong on Sunday, and that'll give us a windy and warm afternoon. Sunday night, Monday morning, the next front pushes through, and behind that front, drier air builds in, and this time we turn sunny behind the front instead of going overcast with rain, drizzle, and fog. I don't think we'll see that on Monday. Instead, dry conditions prevail. Now, I've got dry in here for tonight and tomorrow. With that fog, there's always a little mist in the air, but nothing that accumulates. That's what we may see early in the morning, and then we're dry on Sunday and Monday. Here are the latest temperatures. We continue to warm up. We're in the 50s valley-wide right now, 53 Port Isabel, 57 in McAllen at this hour, and overnight tonight, no cooler than the upper 40s and low 50s, so it's going to be a much more mild night than the past few have been. And tomorrow, the warmest day we've seen in quite some time, with readings most of the valley back in the mid-70s under the mix of clouds and sunshine. The normal high for the middle part of January is 71, and we're going 76, 81, 75, so above average for the next 3 days. Rest of Texas, it's turning mild statewide. Look at this, 64 right now in Abilene, 67 in Dalhart, warming up across a lot of the state. They saw a lot of sunshine today. The system near the coast moves away, and with that, we try to dry things out. We have to deal with fog first, then sunshine in the afternoon. Sunday, I think we see some sunshine again, and then Monday morning, here comes the next front, probably with no rain. It moves away, high pressure builds in, gives us a couple of nice days. Long-range models do bring a chance of rain in for the middle to latter part of next week. So tonight, mainly cloudy, dense fog a possibility, a low of 49. Then tomorrow, the fog's there in the morning, but in the afternoon, some sunshine. Your high temperature tomorrow, 76. 81 on Sunday. How nice, right? Even Monday, behind the front, 74. And then next week, we do cool it off a little bit, but it's not cold by any means. But a few showers show up Wednesday into Thursday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.